Okay, YouTube. Phil's fan is back with another unboxing video, another mystery box unboxing video. If you remember, I guess around Christmas time, I had the unboxing video of. It was like more like cards, mystery cards. It was a card box that I got from VSM Sports Outlet, Sports Cards Outlet in Lancaster. Well, this one is the Philadelphia fan mystery box. This was something that Carl's Cards and Collectibles in Havertown, Pennsylvania had offered, I guess about maybe a week ago or more. And this is actually round two, that I ended up deciding to pick it up. So this box, it's a priority mail box, probably 5 inches tall by probably, I don't know, 17 inches long. And it's got some weight to it. So there's going to be some good stuff in here. And it's supposed to be a mixture of Phillies, Eagles, Sixers, and Flyers stuff, if possible. It could be cards, could be t-shirt, it could be novelty items from the team, it could be signed photos, anything like that. Now, Carl's Cards and Collectibles is in Havertown, and I have been to their store a few times. I've known the owner, Carl Henderson, for probably 25 years or so, as because he used to do card shows around Delaware County and the Delaware Valley area in the Philadelphia area. And, I got to, I knew him as a vendor back in the day before his card shop opened up in 1995. So this year they're celebrating their 25th anniversary. Happy anniversary. But they're really a great place. It's family run business. They really take care of their customers. They get to know you as a person, and what you like. So, and they're really great with that stuff. And they always have great, signers and stuff like that as well. So, so we're not really sure what's in here, and, I'm really excited, to tell you the truth. So let me, maybe I should have cut this open before. I actually did make a slit on this side, and it popped open real easily. So I kind of assumed that the rest were going to be like that. But the other side seems to be a little more sealed than this one does. So let's go with this side. Let's slide it open. All right, so right off the bat, I see a black t-shirt. So, which is good because it kind of holds everything in. Oh, this is awesome. So now this is a podcast on Facebook that they do. So I wanted one of these shirts because I watched this show. I watched their podcast. They do it. They started off doing it like once a week, and then they would take it out on the road as well. Got to see one in person where I got Brian Prop's autograph. He's a former Flyer. Now this is this Fans View is their podcast show. So I'm pretty excited. I'll wear this shirt proudly. Love it. Now it looks to be a bobblehead. Oh, this is great. So this is from the Fightin' Phils. No, this is an old Art Phils logo, but this is Master Hoskins. It's a Reese Hoskins bobblehead from the writing Fightin' Phils. That's pretty cool. A box of opening day cards. That's awesome. 2020. So I got some opening day cards to bust open. Oh, no, this is great. All right. He really knows, I'm a Phillies fan. So this is like the ultimate pack for me. And I'm a baseball card fan as well. So now I have a Phillies mask that I can be wearing. This is great because the only mask I have is one of those kind of pullover ones. So it looks to be a button. Oh, this is pretty cool. Now, this is a Sunday, June 8th, 1969 Yankee Stadium, a day to remember. It's a Mickey Mantle button. This is really cool. This is a great addition to my vintage baseball collection. I see an autographed ball in there, but let me get to these cards. Man, this thing is packed. There's some stuff in here. An Alec Boehm autographed card. Great Phillies players. Okay, so now this is autographed by Manny Trio and Tony Taylor. Now, let me tell you a little backstory. Oh, and you can see a autographed picture of Von Hayes in the back. These cards came out in 1983, the 100th anniversary of the Phillies. And they're actually kind of valuable. The whole set goes for probably a couple $100, if I'm not mistaken. With the collector's album. Like they actually became a pretty sought after collectible with Phillies fans. Like that's really cool. Great Phillies players. I mean, the only one that's not on there is Cookie Rojas. But this, it's autographed by Manny Trio and by Tony Taylor. And a Von Hayes photo. That's really cool. So that's going to be great for my. Oh, okay. So this is the certificates that show the postcard was signed by Von Hayes and the card was signed by Alec Bohm. Oh, and there's the Alec Bohm card. I thought maybe I dropped something. And what else do we have in here? Let me grab the ball, because that seems to be the easiest thing to grab. Oh, okay, so I remember these. This is a photo ball that was offered by Burger King, and it's got Richie Ashburn on it. You can see the autograph. And there you go. Little thing of, now he's a Hall of Famer. These were I'm not sure if you would call them a giveaway, but they were Burger King, and there was a set of them. There was it's called Philly's Legends. I think there was a Steve Carlton one, a Richie Ashburn, I believe a Robin Roberts, and a Mike Schmidt. So all Hall of Famers from the Phillies. And looks like we got some bubble wrap. And I think the only thing left in here is like one more piece of paperwork. I think that's everything. Oh, and it's the certificate that shows that the Tony Taylor thing was autographed as well. Now, this is a card. It's kind of like their business card. It shows that they're on Facebook, they are on Instagram, and they are on Twitter. And also, like I said, this year is their 25th anniversary. So go and give them a follow. It's a great card shop. Very knowledgeable, and like I said, try to follow this Fans View. It's a fun, if you're a Philly sports fan, they cover everything. They cover all the sports. There's always something interesting going on. It's fun. Right now, due to the COVID situation, they're doing like a Zoom technology where there's maybe the 5 hosts, and they're all in their own places and talking to one another. But it's great entertainment. So thank you very much, Carl's Cards and Collectibles, for a great mystery box, and catch everybody later. Alrighty.